Hi, beautiful people. You're welcome back to Hairstyle Ideas. My name is Irene, and you're welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button to join the family. Because in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys different stitch braids ideas. This one are braids, okay? Like different types or different ways you can style it, different ways you can make the hair. You guys, if you know that, if you know, you know, because this hair now is one of the trending hair all over the world now. Like every braids, even to think that knotless, knotless braids now. Do you know that we now have stitch knotless braids? Yes, that's to show you how serious this hairstyle is now, and how sleek and how popular and how everybody wants to try out this hairstyle. And to be honest, this hairstyle is actually very it's difficult in a way. Yeah, it's difficult too. It's kind of complicated. It's difficult, not really difficult, which is why I've compiled different styles, different ways. I made the first video and you guys kind of liked it because from the views I could tell. Okay, so which is why I decided to say, okay, let me make another compilation so you can watch it step by step on how you can actually make this braid and become very perfect in braiding this particular hair. So first of all, as you can see, you're going to apply your cream that's kind of make it very slimy and very accurate, so that when you're opening the lines, it's going to be very clean. Okay, and then you cut out the first one which is braiding right now, and then you weave it, and then with your nails, this is another place where your nails can be very important when you're braiding this particular hair. That's if for some who can actually use their nails, so you can use your nails to to cut out a portion of the hair, okay, so that you can braid it as well. So remember, it was divided into two. So when you cut this particular the hair on your left with your nails, good, you braid it. If you're adding attachment, you can add, and then you use this side and cut out the right part of the hair again, and then you braid it. So it's step by step. You cut this side, you cut that side. So it's actually very tedious, okay, but if you can do it just by looking at this now, you can actually do it. You can try it. You can use, if you're a mother, you have parents, or you have sisters, you have siblings that might let you try it. You can use their hair and try it. It's very simple, and it's actually one of the trending hair right now. As you can see, there are chuku braids, there are all back braids, there are Ghana weaving, stitch braids. Everything just has to do with stitch braid now. So if you can't do the one that you can use your nails, you can actually weave. You cut out, you braid, you cut out, you braid. Then when you're weaving, you're adding your attachment, you braid the whole thing together. So yeah, I feel like everybody can do it. Okay, you can as well share it with your hair stylist, so that the hairstylist can know the particular hair that you want to make, because this hair, we call it stitch braids on social media, but a lot of people call it different names outside. Because I've actually gone to my hairstylist and said I want to make stitch braids, and she didn't really understand what I was saying. Don't mind her, she was a local hairstylist anyway. So yeah, there are different names, so you can as well take pictures of it and go share with your hairstylist, and I'm sure they're going to give you what you want. Okay, it is a trending hair right now. It's actually trending. Everybody you're seeing and making this hair, every girl has actually made this hair. So this particular one now kind of made me, like, it stood out for me for the amongst all the stitch braids that I've actually been watching. Okay, this one seems to be the neatest, and to think that she's actually doing with her fingers, she's not using comb or needle or anything of those sharp objects. She's doing with her fingers, and actually it's looking so beautiful and so neat and so clean. Like, yeah, I admire this particular hairstylist. She really tried with her nails. So you see, cutting it out and joining it. This hairstyle is very difficult, to be honest, but it's something that you can do. This lining, you see, the lining in between is actually what makes it different. It's not like the normal cornrows that we make, or Ghana weaving. No, this lining kind of make it stand out, and it makes it look very beautiful. I'm sure you're going to love this hairstyle. Go and try it. Okay, go and try it. Everybody is just learning. Everybody's like, you can see this one now. This one, she's learning. She's not perfect, but she's learning. Okay, so I bet you can learn it too. You can actually try out styles and make it look beautiful. Gradually you become perfect in it. You become like superb. I do not want to talk too much. Okay, this is another one too that kind of like the styling, the curving and everything. Like, it was so beautiful and clean too. Yeah, I give it up for her too. She did very well. Yeah, I love the styling. And yeah, as you can see, the carrier is happy. This is another clean one, very beautiful, you guys. I can't I can't help it. So make sure you watch to the end, and if you haven't subscribed, please, I don't know what's holding you, I don't know what's keeping you. Subscribe so you can join the hairstyle gang. Okay, on this channel we share different hairstyle ideas, different, just talk. In fact, you know what, any particular hairstyle that you want to see on this channel, drop it in the comment section, and I am going to make sure that I film it for you. Okay, as long as it's about ladies. Okay, hairstyle for ladies. I actually started earlier on when I was starting up on this channel. I tried doing hairstyle for men, but I felt like maybe I have more female audience than male audience, so this is why I'm kind of settling around female hairstyles. But if I look at my analytics and I feel like, okay, there are more men watching now, I might try out male hairstyles too. Okay, so that's just in case you've been asking me to drop a hairstyle for men and I haven't really done so, please be patient with me. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I appreciate all your love, all your support, and the subscribe. You guys, just a few days ago I celebrated 6,000 subscribers, and today we have 6,100 and something people. So yeah, we will get to that 1,000 plus. Yeah, definitely. So thank you so much, I really appreciate. Subscribe, like, comment, do all those good stuff, and I'll see you guys later. Okay.